Hey, what's up guys, Mark's here. Today we're diving into one of the biggest tech revolutions of our time, self-driving cars. It's 2025, and after years of hype, investments, and technological breakthroughs, we have to ask, are we finally there? Are autonomous vehicles ready to take over our roads, or are we still stuck in the slow lane? Let's find out. Self-driving technology has been in development for decades. From Tesla's autopilot and Google's Waymo to startups and traditional automakers, billions have been poured into making this a reality. But let's break it down. Where are we now? The Society of Automotive Engineers, or SAE, defines autonomy in 6 levels, from level 0, no automation, to level 5, full autonomy. Most cars today operate at level 2 or 3, meaning they assist the driver but still require human intervention. So in 2025, has anyone cracked level 5? Well, the answer depends on where you live. Right now, companies like Waymo and Cruise are operating fully driverless taxis in select cities. China's Baidu is doing the same. These vehicles are navigating urban environments without a human behind the wheel, but there's a catch. While these cars handle predictable situations well, they still struggle with the unexpected: emergency vehicles, construction zones, and bad weather. That's why many experts argue that full level 5 autonomy is still a few years away. So what's holding us back? There are 3 major roadblocks. Technology AI is improving, but it still struggles with complex human-like decision-making. Infrastructure. Our roads, traffic laws, and even insurance policies aren't fully ready for self-driving cars. Public trust. People are still hesitant about letting AI take the wheel, especially after some high-profile accidents. Governments are cautious too. Some cities welcome self-driving cars while others ban them over safety concerns. So, are we finally there? In 2025, the answer is, kind of. We're closer than ever, but we're not at full autonomy just yet. While some cities are seeing driverless taxis, most of us still have to keep our hands on the wheel. Experts predict we might see true level 5 autonomy within the next decade, but until then, we'll keep watching, testing, and debating. What do you think? Are you ready to let an AI drive you around, or do you still prefer a human behind the wheel? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech updates. See you in the next video.